What's up with it, Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today we are doing a beard update. I have now reached day 14 on growing back the size of my beard, and hey, this is what we got going on. As y'all can see, I got a lot of good grow back right here on the side. This is my right side. This is my left side right here. Vellus hairs, nice grow back underneath is filling in, I'm a slow grower, but when it come in now, before I couldn't do any of this, and on both sides, it's starting to fill all the way to the goatee on both sides. Y'all can see the line. Let me know down below if y'all can see the line coming all the way down, connecting to the edge of my goatee, you know what I mean? Y'all can see the structure on both sides. I don't know if y'all can see it on this side or not, but it's there. It's coming all the way down on both sides. I'm happy about that because for day 14, this is a lot of good progress, a lot of good results for your boy. Somebody who could not grow anything on the sides and nothing up under the goatee, you know what I'm saying? It was all right here, and the mustache was always popping. As far as the routines go, you already know your boy got the minoxidil, the breath sessions, I got the argan oils, I got the rose hip oils. I even have the wild hair growth oils that I talked about in my previous video. So go check that out if y'all haven't checked that out yet. But yeah, this is what your boy got so far. Connectors are connecting, soul patching. And the goatee has always been on point since I started the minoxidil journey. And that's really it. I've made sure I stayed up with the brushing every night, every morning. Gotta get the breath sessions in, hitting those spots that I want to see major improvement in. Up in here, still weak spots right here, but those hairs are right there on both sides. Oh yeah, I also got my derma stem. Let me go get that real quick. Hold on. Boom, here it is. For those of you who've never seen a derma stamp up close and personal, this is what it looks like. Let me take this out for y'all. This is the front of it right here. We got the little holes that y'all can see, a whole bunch of holes right there. It has the adjustable pen size, you know what I mean? It goes from 0 all the way to 3.0 mm, so you can go crazy with this, but trust me, you will stab yourself and you will bleed if you go too crazy with this. But this is what it looked like. Let me see if the pins will come out for y'all. Y'all see those coming out? I know y'all see them. That's what it looked like right there. And this right here is what a 3.0 mm look like, you know what I mean? You don't want to go crazy like this. I usually hang around the 1, you know what I'm saying? In between the 0.5 and the 1. I don't go too crazy because I don't want to stab myself and bleed. And remember, like I said in the other videos, you can use the derma roller. A lot of y'all know about the derma roller. That's cool too. I just like the derma stamp because I want to make sure every time I'm engaging with the spots that I want to improve in, I'm getting it. I don't have to do the rolling motion. I can just stamp it and go on the line and hit more of an area than a derma roll can do, and I'll overlap it because of the size of the derma stamp. When I go down, keep going down, you know what I mean? And that's really it as it pertains to the derma stamp. It's pretty self-explanatory, you know what I'm saying? So get you a derma stamp if you want to do the derma stamp. If you want the derma roller, get that and be good. I really can't wait to see how this third round of growing my sides back is gonna look, how much fuller it may look since this is my third time around. Hopefully I can get more of a coverage, and so far it's looking like I'm gonna get more of a coverage on both sides because they're pretty even now. This used to be my strong side and this is my weak side, but as you can see, it looked like this side is caught up with this side and maybe even past it. Who knows? We will see in the long run, and I'll keep y'all updated as the progress continues. But I don't want to keep y'all too long on this update. I just had to let y'all know day 14, this is where your boy is. Give y'all one last look. Both sides, vellus hairs, you know what I'm saying? And terminal hairs. We good on here. We good. If you're thinking about growing your beard, come subscribe to Locked In with Trey because this is the journey that your boy is on, and I'm growing out my hair again. This time I'm doing full locks. So for those of you who are like, where your locks go? I'm getting them back, but this time I'm going all out. We're gonna reach the full lion mane this time. So y'all stay tuned to the next videos, the lock journey, the beard journey, and the Rikers. Hey, we going crazy this year. Let's go.